Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. How do you like the background? Isn't it pretty? Okay, I hope you guys like it. And I added some decor. Okay, I've got something very special for you. Today's box is brand new and it's very uplifting and it's very positive, and this is my first one and I'm so excited to be working with this company. Upboxes. Yes, they are amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh my God. Look how gorgeous this box is. Okay. Kindness, health, love, sparkle, strength, overcome, compassion, life, thanks, breathe, listen. The box itself is positivity. This box is a monthly subscription box, or it can be a one-time purchase. You can purchase this box one time for $39.95, or you can get a monthly subscription for $29.16. That's where they start out. They have different levels of plans. They just start out at $29.16, and you can use code PEACE50. I will have all of this information down in the description box below to save you 50% off on your first box. First time purchase, okay? Isn't that amazing? So I am dying to dig in to this box to see what joyful, wonderful, uplifting positivity is waiting for us inside this box. So let's dig in, everybody. So you open the box and already it's rattling. I am so excited. This sticker right here says, "Be the light." Can you see that? And let your light so shine. Matthew 5:16. Encouragement inside. www.upwards.me. Okay, I will also have the link to go and sign up down below in the description box. So please, let's watch the video so you know what to expect. I can't even tell you how excited I am, because when I read about this company and what they include in their typical boxes, I was blown away. Positivity, encouragement, just everything positive. Okay, the first thing I'm grabbing, it says, "Be the light." Happy, and on the back it says, "Happy New Year. Welcome to your Upbox. May your new year be filled with joy and possibilities. We hope that the coming year brings peace, contentment, and that you continue to be the light. As you carry out His purpose, our prayer sent to you with love is that all your goals and aspirations will find fulfillment, and that our monthly Upboxes will continue to inspire you to explore your dreams. We wish you a year of health and happiness. These specialty accessories and lifestyle essentials are lovingly and thoughtfully crafted in the USA and are part of an encouragement movement that is impacting and changing lives throughout our global community. Learn more about Upwards and our products with purpose at www.upwards.me. Hugs and kisses, the Upwards family. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I wish I would have brought my notes. 20% of all sales go to the, what is it? The Jesus House? The Jesus Foundation? Oh, what is that? I will have the exact information down in the description box, but they go and they help feed the children, clothe the children. It's for education. But it's amazing. 20% of every box that is sold. That's awesome. But this is a cute 5x7 card. I mean, wishing everybody positivity. Sneak peek at your Happy New Year Upbox. Ooh, and the value was $150 plus. That is amazing. And here is encourage one another. And this is a postcard that you can send off to somebody and they can get hooked up. In a 2019 confetti and some pretty paper. Let's get to the goodies in here. And you know what? On my new setup right here, I have no table. I haven't gotten that far yet, but I do have, there we go. Excuse my off camera. Oh, pretty. So here's 3. Let your light shine. Here are 3 hair ties, 3 silver hair ties. And I love these type of hair ties. They don't pinch, they don't pull your hair out. They're easily removed. These are very good. I absolutely love these. So we've got those. And we have some Be the Light. These are little personal inspirational cards, little tiny cards. These are cute. Let's open them up. This one has 2 cards and a couple of envelopes in them. That's what that looks like. And it says, "You are the light of the world. Let your light so shine," from Matthew 5:14-16. Aren't these cute? Send cute little notes, inspirational notes to people. Those are adorable. More 2019 confetti. Those are going to come in handy for pictures. Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they're always there. Cute little zippered pouch. The silica pack. That is so cute. You know what? This is perfect for like your headphones in your purse so they don't get tangled. Oh, I love that. And here's another Be the Light, Matthew 5:14, another inspirational card. Face mask, Charcoal Detox by Harrison Valley Soap Company. And this is a sample size. We love the charcoal products, don't we, guys? We absolutely love it. That is amazing for your skin. I can't wait to use this. Formulated for oily, acne-prone skin, mix in a bowl with choice of liquid. Spread over a face evenly and wash off after 20 minutes. Use 2 to 3 times per week. The ingredients is bentonite clay, kaolin clay, cocoa powder, activated charcoal, and aloe vera powder. See? No bad ingredients. That's amazing. Ooh, Happy New Year. Good things are to come. That is how that's wrapped. I think this is a bath bomb. Oh, honey, bath bomb. I am so right. Look at that. And let me take this off because, what does it say? I can't really read it, but you can see oatmeal. This is going to be an oatmeal bath bomb. And oatmeal is amazing for your skin. Okay, that's just the list of ingredients. And because I'm half blind, I can't really read it. Okay, that's amazing. See if I can put that down there without breaking it or knocking my light over. Okay. Oh, what's that? See, this is what we've got. Vanilla almond whipped body butter from Purely Posh. This is what it looks like. You know, I love the black lid. Ooh. Very, very lightly scented. It looks like whipped cream. That's what it looks like. That is that. Now let's try it. Ooh. This is very moisturizing. Very, very moisturizing. There is only a tiny bit of a scent, kind of like a shea, but I can't really place it. Let's see. Handmade. I can't read where it's handmade. It says it, but I can't really read it. Yep, see, ingredients. Shea butter, mango butter, coconut oil, avocado oil, puree balsam essential oil, vanilla bean paste, and vanilla and almond extracts. I knew I was smelling the shea. That's amazing. We have a vanilla almond nourishing lotion by Purely Posh. That smells exactly like the butter. Little thicker of a consistency. It's more like it's a lotion, not a body butter. Yeah. So there's that one. It's a lotion, more of a lotion consistency. We have whipped soap tea tree charcoal by Harrison Valley Soap Company. Ooh, and this is made in Carpenterville, Illinois. Sweet almond oil. And this is wrapped up really good. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is very good for you. And this is going to be a soap. Sweet almond oil and kaolin clay. That's cool. And yes, we're still digging. There is a lot of stuff in this box. Moonstone all natural mineral lip glitz. Oh, we're going to open this. This is what this looks like. Ooh. handmade, all natural, and cruelty-free lip gloss, lip glitz, live beauty, live beautifully. Okay, let me in, please. Aha, I found the perforation. I thought I did. Oh, I got off track. Okay, here. I got it. This is so pretty, and the color is, let's see, does it have a shade? Oh, and it has a mirror on here. You peel this right here, and that's a mirror. I'm looking for a shade name, and I don't see one, but we're going to swatch it. It's pretty thick. Oh, and it smells like peppermint. Ooh, this is going to be really, see, it's clear, and it's sparkly, and you feel no glitter. I'm going to have to actually try this out without lip gloss on, lipstick on that has shimmer in it, because that's not going to work. But yeah, it smells like peppermint. There is no shade name. But this is going to be actually pretty cool on your lips. That's going to be awesome. Okay. We got a little tin. Usually it is Purely Posh Lip Balm, Vanilla Almond. That's what this is. That's what it looks like. So that's going to be, you know, you just, like the old Carmex used to come in. It's not waxy. It looks waxy, but it's not. And it smells just like the lotion. What is it made out of? Oh, it's so tiny. I don't know. But that's going to be great. Oh, look at that. This is from Sella and Sage. Look at this pretty box. You know we like pretty boxes. Oh, they're so pretty. Sterling silver, 14 karat gold filled. Huh. And you can find, look at them, they're stars. Look how pretty. And you can reach them at sellasage.com. I wonder, focus. There we go. These are so cute, and they're posts. They're just regular posts. Designed and made in Portland, Oregon. Oh, how cool. I love Oregon. Portland, Oregon is so pretty. If anybody ever gets a chance to go to Portland, Oregon. It is so pretty. In Lakeside, Oregon, little travel tip, they have an area over there, cliffs, that you can overlook the ocean and you can watch the seals. Oh, it is gorgeous. Oh, we have another box. You are made of stars, Serbian proverb. Here's the little box. Quotable matches. They're literally little matchsticks. And I just dropped some. They're black and white matches. These are pretty. Those are cute. You can find these at quotablecards.com. These are really cute. I have literally never seen any matches other than the brown with the red tips. Never. These are cute. You are made of stars, Serbian proverb. Look at that. A glass tray. This is cute. Is that by the same company? Yes, it is. From Quotable Cards. Look how cute that is. Ah. Put your little matchsticks on there. That is adorable. I'm trying to see. I got one more item. And this is a pretty big box. Look at this box. And this is from Crossbee+Crew. This is what's been rattling. It says, "Be the light." And it's 10. Oh, it's a candle. Oh my gosh. Cinnamon spice soy candle. And it smells amazing. Smell. Just kidding. See, you guys, okay, and I should have been counting as we went along. This is just too cute. Does it say where this company is? Crossbee+Crew.com, and they're from North Carolina. And this is a small batch, it says. So this is going to be one of their small ones. Wow. I will have a list of all of these companies down below, right underneath the information for the box. Go visit these companies. Go visit this company. Get signed up for this box. One-time offer, piece 50 for 50% off your first order. This is amazing. You know somebody that needs an inspirational uplift in their life? This is going to do it. This is definitely going to do it. This is an amazing company. Plus, this is going to the Jesus Foundation. 20% of every box sold goes to the Jesus Foundation. And it's coming back to me. It is the Jesus Foundation. I know it is. That information also is going to be down below. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye-bye, guys.